Hari Om, Namaste everyone, welcome to Chandan's Fitness Club. Today in this video we will be learning about Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga, also called as Power Yoga, and its benefits, limitations, who can perform, who cannot perform. Before that, please do click on subscribe, bell and then like button. What is Ashtanga Vinyasa flow? Ashtanga Vinyasa flow is a mix of asanas where we move one posture to another posture without taking breaks in a continuous manner by using our breath and the alignment. Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga is style of yoga as exercise created by K. Pattabhi-Joshi during 20th century. This often promoted as modern day form of Indian classical yoga. This system has been learned from his guru Tirumalai Krishnamacharya. Benefits when you perform this kind of yoga. It basically improves your stamina, it builds strength in your muscles, and it gives good flexibility overall your body, and also it aims at weight loss. Who can perform Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga? Everybody can perform with their own pace except pregnant women and people who have undergone through the surgeries. We will be learning Ashtanga Vinyasa Surya Namaskara with brief explanation and advantages. What are the steps involved in this particular Surya Namaskara? Walk on top corner of your mat, 1 foot distance, both the feet together. Pull up your kneecaps, tighten your glutes, tailbone tucked in, keeping your stomach in, roll your shoulders back, both the hands by the side of your body. This is Sthiti. Knee pain, ankle pain, please keep your both the feet hip width apart. Others, both the feet together. Inhale, sink your hip down, stretching your both the hands up. Exhale, bend forward from the hip all the way down. Grab your ankles. If this is not possible, try to bend your both the knees. Inhale, slowly look forward, keeping your spine straight. Come on your fingertips. Exhale, place your palms on the mat, walk back or jump back. Slowly bend your both the elbows. If this is not possible, keep your knees down. Inhale, slide your body forward, roll your shoulders back, look up. Make sure you are not keeping your ears closer to the shoulder. Slowly, knees and thighs off the mat. Exhale, tuck in your toes, stretch your hip up to the ceiling. Inhale, right leg between your palms. Both the feet in one line. Main alignment, hip on the chest, looking forward. Gaze at your palms. Exhale, place your palms on the mat. Right leg back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, slide your body forward. Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg forward. Hip and chest forward. Look up. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Look forward, slightly bend your knee. Walk forward or jump forward. Slowly come on your fingertips. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, sink your hip down, stretching your both the hands up. Exhale, Tanamasana. Right. I'll be showing Vinyasa flow. How do we move one posture to another posture without taking breaks? Alright? And in one sequence, there will be 2 or 3 mix of asanas. Let me perform and show you. Inhale, stretching your both the hands up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Uttana. Inhale, Ardha Uttana. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. From here, Vinyasa flow starts, where we perform one asana with another asana. Inhale, right leg forward, between your palms. Place your right palm next to your right foot. Stretching your left hand up. Staying here for 8 counts. Slowly come up. Let your right knee parallel to the ground. Join your palms. Inhale, exhale, twist your chest. your left upper arm outside of your right thigh. Staying here for 8 to 10 breaths. Slowly inhale to center, exhale to chaturanga. Inhale, urdhva mukha, exhale adho mukha. Now right side sequence is completed. We are going to perform left side sequence. Inhale, left leg between your palms, slowly stretching your right hand up. Staying here for 8 counts. Slowly come up, join your palms. Inhale, exhale, twisting your chest to the right, and then your right hand outside of your left thigh. Staying here for 8 to 10 breaths. Inhale to center, exhale, chaturanga, inhale, urdhva mukha, exhale, adho mukha. This completes sequence. This is the sequence of Ashtanga Vinyasa flow. Make sure whenever you go to posture, be there for 8 to 10 counts. Alright? If you have any doubts, please go ahead and comment on comment box. If you really like this video, please do not forget to click on subscribe, bell and then like button. Thank you so much. Before that, small thing guys, the videos what I have done so far is just to make you understand what is sun salutation, what is Hatha Yoga and what is power yoga. Alright, in the upcoming videos I'll be taking only one part of human body and I'll be guiding you what are the benefits and what are the how you can perform and what are the scale down versions, what is stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and how your practice can be enhanced. Alright, thank you so much guys.